welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today I'm back with my another birthday month video. Today is 17th of February, which means today is my birthday, and you guys might have thought that today there will be no video, but we have a video today. And since it's my birthday today, I thought what's better than just doing an unboxing video, because we all love gifts. Okay, I am a person who becomes a kid again when I'm unboxing anything, and gratefully I have a lot of things to unbox every day. And so today I thought of sharing unboxing my PR packages video with you guys, because I get a lot of parcels each and every day. But when I unbox each of them, I'm very excited. I just want to see what's inside it, how's the packaging, and it gives different joy. Although I do it every day, I am really grateful for that because I enjoy the process. And today I'm going to share one such video with you guys. I've also done this video earlier. I'll just link it above. You can just check it out, okay? Now let's just quickly begin with this video, and I hope you guys will also enjoy this unboxing along with me. So I want to begin with my favorite thing, of course. So my favorite is this Lay's Valentine's Day pack. It's their what's your relationship status pack. So basically I love Lay's because there are two reasons. I have been featured on the Lay's packet and I'm very emotionally attached with Lay's, and secondly, look at the packaging. It's huge and I just love this. So let me just show you. Inside this they had 4 wafer packets which I already ate. Then they have this cue card which says what's your relationship status, and then we have different card which says long distance relationship, or is it single, or is it complicated, right? So yeah, I'll insert the picture. Also I might have shown this in one of my earlier vlogs when I just received it, and I could not resist myself from eating the Lay's, so I just ate it, and this is my favorite pack of this month. Now moving on to another favorite, we have this cute little bag from Bioderma. Look at the bag. The quality of the bag is so good. It's really soft and the material is top notch. When I open this, first of all, we have the Bioderma Sensibio H2O. This is always in my PR, or in any of my makeup videos or vlogs, you will find Bioderma, okay, anywhere, because it's my favorite product. Then they have also sent across the cotton pads, which they didn't used to do this earlier, but now they've even started doing that. That is like really great. They also sent me a cute little Eiffel Tower, and just love it. So yeah, I'm just keeping this. This bag is like, it's matching with my outfit today, and I just love this bag. It's too. So that was about the Bioderma PR. We have this another huge box from My Glam. Actually I have 2 boxes. So in the first box, the first product that I have is this iridescent brightening foam cleanser. Now this cleanser I have already used. You might have seen this on my Instagram, and if you haven't, you need to check that out. This is how, look at the packaging, you guys. It's so good. I love the packaging. Even the cleanser is so good, okay? It's expensive but it's good. And in the similar packaging we have this body lotion from them. The packaging is same because both products are from the same range of theirs. So this is like, look at this. This is the body lotion. Now the good thing about this range is that this range has some holographic particles, so it's like that brightening effect it gives, very glowy. So that's the reason it's known as glow resident brightening range. In the same box, the next product which I have is this volumizing and curling mascara. I so wanted a mascara. My mascara was just over. Then we have this Kill Germs Wipe Out Sanitize, Soothe and Moisturize cream. It's in the flavor cinnamon and rosemary. Now the good thing about this is it's a hand cream. It also has sanitizing properties, so you don't need to use separate sanitizer and hand cream. It does both the job. And at last in this box we have one sheet mask. So this was all about first My Glam box. I have one more box, okay? So this is done. Let's keep it aside and let's take the another box that we have from My Glam. So this is another box that I have from My Glam. Now this has lot of good products, okay? first of all, the thing that I want to show is this Manish Malhotra metallic chalk. Now this has to be my favorite thing. Let me just show you. Obviously my glam is like, you know, all about Manish Malhotra products, but this one is like really good. I enjoyed it, like I enjoyed using it. What am I saying even? Why is it? Oh yeah, so this is how it looks like. Can you see the small chalk? First when I saw it, I was like, what is this? Like, what is this small chalk like? But it's like you can apply it as an eyeshadow, you can use it on your cheek, and you can just use it as a highlighter also. It's very blinky. You can just go and check out my Instagram. I have created a makeup look using this one, and it's fab. The next product that I have is this My Glam moisturizing matte lip crayon. It's in the shade that I am wearing. I'm not wearing this, but it has the same shade. We have this Clean Beauty Argan Oil BB foundation stick. So basically this is a stick foundation. As you can just see, these also I have used in you know, you look at this. This is the shade, and you get many more shades in this if I'm not wrong, and it's a good foundation. The only thing is you need to use good amount of moisturizer if you're someone with dry skin like mine. Then we have this lip balm. I'm not opening it because it will take a lot of time if I open all the products. Then we have this K-Play Melon Highlighter, and I also have this K-Play Peach Blush. Both the products are really good. Blush is quite pigmented. Highlighter is also good, but I loved blush more. Now let's come to another brand. So the another brand that I have is Pilgrim. So basically I'm trying out this brand for the first time. I have the PR also for the first time. So this is their, what's this? Yeah, this is the body butter. It's in this volcanic range, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and the butter is super delicious. Like I'm speaking as in, like, look at this. It's legit butter, you guys. The next product which I have is from the same brand, Pilgrim. They have actually sent both of these items together. I also have this body scrub. So they've sent me body scrub as well as body butter. So let me just look at this. This is their volcanic lava range, and the body scrub looks good. I have used it twice, I guess, and it is really good. I have this bag from Mother Sparsh. So earlier also I've received one box from Mother Sparsh. So they have sent me another product that they have launched. First of all, they have sent me this cute little bag, which is very good, and the quality of this is also good. Like, it's not flimsy. It's a really good quality. You can just use it as your handbag, and it's good. The PR from Mother Sparsh that I have, they have recently launched the Ayurvedic hair range. So the first thing that they have sent me is this Jab Pushp hair cleanser. Now this have very you know, Ayurvedic names, because their main aim is this Ayurvedic ingredients which are natural, no side effects. Then we use hair mask, right? So they have named this Dashmul hair lape using herbal products. Go for it, okay? Then we have this Miracle hair oil. This has 30 herbs, and also it's Ayurvedic. So people who are, you know, more into Ayurvedic and herbal things, check this out. It's a new launch, okay? So yeah, I have not yet used the hair mask. The oil I have used once, okay? So yeah, so that was about the Mother Sparsh thing. Then I have you know, a combo of these two products from Saint Botanica. So what happens is Saint Botanica has recently launched 12 variants, like 12 combos in their hair care products. So basically this combo has both one shampoo and one conditioner. So it's known as the Go range, Go Strong, Go Curly, Go Anti-Dandruff. It's like that. So what I've done is I've got one conditioner and like the entire combo of Go Strong, and I also have one more combo from them. It's their Go Volume shampoo and conditioner. So this I selected for myself. I've bought this by myself, that I got in PR, because I wanted the volume range, which was you know, not available earlier. So I just got this by my own. It's not PR, but yet I've included it here. And the last thing that I have for this video, I have Bioderma has also sent me their CBM H2O, which I wanted to try out since really long time. I have been using the Sensibio H2O since long. I wanted to check the CBM H2O out, and it's really good. These were few of my PR boxes. Obviously I have lot more PR boxes, but if I unbox all of them, this video will go really long, so I've just shortened it out, and I'll make another part of this one too. If you guys love enjoying this kind of videos, let me know, because I love enjoying unboxing my PR. And also if you want to know what's in my PR, I'll be doing this frequently. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video, and wish me birthday, okay?